Hey, greetings from Texas. So you may be wondering what's going on. Um, I was getting ready to leave on a epic road trip. While I was cleaning my kitchen, I had a cast iron pan or pot full of cooking oil. I turned it on, went outside, started loading my vehicle to leave on my vacation when I heard a crash. So I got up to my house, opened the front door, and there was a wall of black smoke. I had to crawl along the floor into the kitchen. The smoke was so thick I had to retreat. I went back in, was able to open up some windows, went back out, came back in, and saw that one of my cabinets was on fire. So you can see from this clip here what happened. Anyway, needless to say, it just takes one brief moment of carelessness and something bad happens. Fortunately, I'm okay. I was able to extinguish the fire. I couldn't see the fire extinguisher, but I was near the sink and I had a mixing bowl and I was able to douse the flames with one splash. A lot of smoke, a lot of soot all over the entire house, which is the biggest problem. We were remodeling. The new countertop survived, but our two of our repainted cabinets are going to have to be replaced. And thank God I hadn't bought the appliances yet. So I'm here in our loft into the garage. This is where I'm going to be sleeping for the next few days or weeks as I go through, trying to wrap my head around what happened and what needs to be done. All in all, it's just stuff that could be replaced. I have some videos which I'm uploading. I'll get those loaded up, but you may not see me for a while. So I'll put some updates on the community board. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Take care. Talk to you later.